This week here at Car Care Kiosk, we've been working on a Jeep Grand Cherokee, and we thought we'd give you a quick preview of a few of the repairs on that vehicle. First up, let's show you how to remove the key fob battery.
So to change the key fob battery, all we're going to do is first pull out the spare key. If we look on the side, there's a little button here. Just push that, pull out the key. And then if we look in here, there's a couple little areas here. There's kind of like this wider area. If you actually just get the key in there like this and then just twist it, you'll see it'll kind of pop that cover up and off, and then that'll give you access here to the battery. And then basically you can just pop it out like that. And then when you put the battery back in, you do want the positive side of the battery facing upward. And then what we're going to do is basically just take the section here that we pulled off and just kind of squeeze it back on there. It should kind of click. And then after that, all you need to do is just replace that spare key.
Next, we're going to show you how to access the oil drain plug and oil filter for your oil change. Remove one 13mm bolt and one 10mm bolt from this small cover. Pivot the cover open. Reach up here for the drain plug. Use a 13mm socket on this plug. Here's your oil filter. And finally, after you've changed the oil, we're going to show you how to reset the oil life monitor.
To reset the oil life, you're going to want to push up or down on the arrows on the steering wheel. And we'll scroll through here until we get to the oil life. And then you just want to push and hold the OK button to reset it.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. And if you want more car repair videos and more in-depth car repair videos, please visit carcarekiosk.com.